This is the Fast 9613 with the 80-foot boom, tri-fold boom. I'll walk you through from center. Basically, the first thing you want to do is just find center. So this is 20-inch nozzle bodies. So you'd just be 10 inches over. 20 more makes you 30 inches. Here we've used the 9x18s with 7-inch plates. So 7-inch 180 plates, 18-inch out, 9 inches over. Anytime you use an offset, I always try to, at least if you, as long as you can, put the peg all the way over to the end. That way when you go to put it back on for next season, this side is exactly the same as this side, and so you don't have to keep track of which one is which, so they can go left or right. That's the only real reason. But that way it's all uniform parts. So see here, you've got our 3/4 bushing just to hold you out away from the U-bolts. And then the cross here that holds the drop, and then a retainer bushing. Some of these will have catches on them that stick up here, but for the most part you won't need them on low clearance. All right, so this would be position 1. This would be driver's side 1, so D1. I'm just going to walk you out that way. So you're 60 inches apart, so 20, 40, 60. We just trust the nozzle bodies in general. There's really no need to worry about offset here. So if you line the peg up straight with the nozzle body, you should be fine. There will be times, like on this one, you won't actually connect to this nozzle body. You'll loop it around and run it over to this next nozzle body, because this one has an extension here. So you just clock that one to shut that one off. And so here we've got an 18-inch extension to get you out over the wheels. Depending on duals, we might have to go further. And then this is a 26 here. So, but we'd either use 18s or 26s in general. So just going position by position, that right there is position 3. Position 4 is a 9x13 offset, just because of this weld gusset up here. So we've got a 5-inch 180 receiver with a 9x13, 13 out, 9 over. Again, putting this on the far side so that it's universal. Position 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position 5 is 5-inch. Using the shallower, smaller U-bolts here. You can cut them off sometimes when we are really on top of our game. We have them cut off already. And so then just 13 out. This is 6, okay, because this is at the end of the secondary. And so that's 9x13 out and over. Everything's pretty standard. Now here on your breakaway for the first one, so you're just gonna make sure you get this good and tight. Haven't had any problems with it coming off or turning on us. Just make sure, get it tight enough that these U-bolts are flexing in, bending a little bit, and it'll hold, it'll be fine there. You know, even if you get caught on a little something, it'll be fine. And so here we just get away with not having to cut off U-bolts. If you tighten it more than us, you may have to cut off U-bolt there, just to make sure that you're not catching on it. And then on this one, you're good. This last one, you'll see we've got the peg mounted here. Just standard, just straight to the bar, round U-bolts. Everything's the same, lined up with nozzle body. But on this one, we added this extra peg. We normally have a catch, but we didn't have it with us today. And this is our first time doing the 80-foot boom. So you'll have a catch that can U-bolt on there. But that is just to keep it out of the saddle. When it's all folded up, I think on the 90-footer, it'd be at that position. It'd be the one in. But on the 80, it's on that far tip. And so it's just to avoid getting caught in the saddle here when you fold up. So it'll just catch as it goes up and over. It'll catch. So, all right.